Tired of fumbling for cash or swiping your card every time you want to grab a bite? Ever wished there was a simpler, faster, and more rewarding way to pay? Well, guess what? There is. And it's called Favepay. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of how to use it, let's talk about why you should care. Imagine walking into your favorite restaurant, savoring your meal, and then effortlessly paying with a few taps on your phone. Not only that, but you also get rewarded for it with cashback. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's Favepay. Now, let's get down to business. How do you actually use this magical payment method? First things first, you need to download the Fave app. It's available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded it, sign up or log into your account. Next, you'll need to add your payment method. You can link your debit or credit card to your Fave account. It's a straightforward process, just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, here comes the fun part, using Favepay. Let's say you're at a restaurant and it's time to pay. Simply open the Fave app, select the Pay option, and scan the QR code displayed at the cashier. You can also choose to enter the amount manually if there's no QR code. Once you've confirmed the payment, you'll get a notification on your phone. And the best part? You'll instantly see the cashback you've earned. It's like finding extra money in your pocket. But wait, there's more. Favepay isn't just about restaurants. You can use it at a variety of places, from cafes and convenience stores to even online shopping. Keep an eye out for the Favepay logo at your favorite spots. One of the coolest things about Favepay is the cashback rewards. You can accumulate cashback over time and then use it to pay for your next meal or purchase. It's like getting paid to pay. But what if you encounter an issue? Don't worry, Fave has got you covered. The app has a customer support section where you can find answers to common questions or contact their support team directly. So, there you have it. Favepay is a game changer when it comes to paying for things. It's fast, convenient, rewarding, and easy to use. Why would you settle for anything less? Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really that simple? Trust me, it is. The best way to experience the magic of Favepay is to try it for yourself. Download the app, give it a shot, and see how it transforms your payment experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Favepaying.